Creating a vision board, a powerful tool for achieving your dreams. A vision board is a visual representation of your goals, dreams, and aspirations. It serves as a powerful tool to help you stay focused, motivated, and aligned with your desires. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating your own vision board, along with an explanation of its purpose and effectiveness in goal achievement. What is a vision board? A vision board is a collage of images, words, and affirmations that represent your goals and dreams. It acts as a visual reminder of what you want to achieve in your life, helping you to maintain clarity and focus on your desired outcomes. Purpose of a vision board: clarity. A vision board helps you clarify your goals and dreams by making you think about what you truly want. Motivation. Seeing your dreams visually represented every day keeps you motivated and inspired to take action. Focus. It serves as a constant reminder of your priorities, helping you stay focused on what truly matters. Positive energy. A vision board encourages positive thinking and a sense of possibility, reinforcing your belief in achieving your goals. Effectiveness of vision boards: visualization. By visualizing your goals regularly, you activate the subconscious mind, which plays a crucial role in manifesting your desires. Law of attraction. Vision boards work on the principle of the law of attraction, which states that like attracts like. By focusing on positive outcomes, you attract similar positive experiences into your life. Goal setting. They encourage you to set clear, specific, and achievable goals, making it easier to create actionable plans. How to create a vision board. Step 1. Gather supplies. You will need a board or large piece of paper like a corkboard, poster board, or foam board, magazines, printouts, or photos, scissors, glue, or tape, and of course markers, stickers, or any decorative items you might want to use. Step 2. Reflect on your goals. Take some time to think about what you want to achieve in different areas of your life, such as career and finances, health and wellness, relationships and family, personal growth and hobbies, and travel and adventure. Step 3. Find inspirational images and words. Look for images, words, and phrases that resonate with your goals and dreams. Cut them out from magazines or print them from the internet. Choose visuals that evoke strong emotions and a sense of excitement about your future. Step 4. Arrange your vision board. Organize by categories. You can group images and words by categories or mix them all together, depending on your preference. Layout. Experiment with different layouts before gluing or taping anything down. Ensure the arrangement feels inspiring and balanced. Add personal touches. Include personal photos, drawings, or meaningful quotes that speak to you. Step 5. Assemble your vision board. Once you're happy with the arrangement, start gluing or taping the images and words onto the board. Feel free to add decorative elements like stickers, washi tape, or glitter to make it visually appealing. Step 6. Place your vision board. Put your vision board in a place where you'll see it every day. This could be your bedroom, office, or any other space where you spend a lot of time. Tips for using your vision board. Daily visualization. Spend a few minutes each day looking at your vision board, visualizing yourself achieving your goals and feeling the emotions associated with success. Affirmations. Incorporate positive affirmations related to your goals and say them out loud while looking at your vision board. Updates. Feel free to update your vision board as your goals and dreams evolve. Remove items that no longer resonate and add new ones. Conclusion. Creating a vision board is a powerful and enjoyable way to manifest your dreams and goals. By visualizing your desires and keeping them in focus, you harness the power of your subconscious mind and the law of attraction to bring your dreams to life. Start your vision board today and watch as your aspirations begin to unfold before your eyes.